natin is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Papasin natin, tatlo ang constant. Ito, b, and c. Kaya, tatlong beses tayo magde-differentiate. First is, magiging y prime is equal to 2ax plus b. Y double prime is equal to 2a. Y triple prime is equal to 0. Kaya, yan, na-eliminate natin lahat ng constant. Ito na ang final answer. Or the next problem is, y is equal to c1 plus c2 e raised to 3x. Dalawa ang constant, kaya dalawang beses tayo mag-differentiate. Y prime is equal to c1 constant 0 plus 3x. So magiging 3 c2 e raised to 3x. Alisin natin yung 0, y prime is equal to 3 c2 e raised to 3x. Isa pang differentiation, marka natin to, marka ng final. Mag-differentiate pa tayo ng isa pa. Y double prime is equal to, may 3 pa dito, kaya 9c2 e raised to 3x. Kaya, yun na yung gagawin natin. Ito yung second differentiation. Alam natin na from here, pwede nating i-multiply ito by 3 para minus natin dito sa 9. So, magiging 3y prime is equal to 9c2 e raised to 3x. Tapos, i-copy lang natin to. Y double prime is equal to 9c2 e raised to 3x. Minus natin to. Minus natin sa minus. Ibig sabihin, makakancel na tong dalawa. Ang tira na lang ay y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to 0. Yan na yung final answer.